9 Yoga Asanas for weight loss. Yoga, an Indian form of mind and body rejuvenation, has significant benefits for all. From people who are obese and want to shed weight to people who want to relax. It is an age-old treatment for a well-toned and healthy body and a stress-free mind. Yoga not only aids in weight loss but also promotes a balanced physical and mental well-being. Here are the 9 yoga asanas for weight loss. One, Chaturanga Dandasana, plank pose. 2. Virbhadrasana, warrior pose. 3. Trikonasana, triangle pose. 4. Adho Mukha Svansana, downward dog pose. 5. Sarvangsana, shoulder stand pose. 6. Setu Bandha Sarvangsana, bridge pose. 7. Parivatta Utkatsana, twisted chair pose. 8. Dhanursana, bow pose. 9. Surya Namaskara, sun salutation pose.